Howdy everybody, Steve here, KM9G. We're at a Tesla charging station, charging a Tesla. Let's see how noisy this thing is on some bands. And I'm at what appears to be a strip mall of some kind. The home of economy. There's not much to do here. Let's see how noisy a Tesla charging station is. Let's get to our band scope, and we are in charging mode now. 5 minutes left to go. You can see it up here. And I am seeing no noise on 20. No noise on 160. And I'm running a small rubber duck, so I'm not really trying to pull in massive signals here. That's not the point of this exercise. 80. Big span. Nothing. 40, there's some noise on 40. It's an S1 though, so nothing to complain about. 30, nothing. 20, nothing. 17, nothing. 15, nothing. 12, nothing. 10, nothing. Oh, 50, yep, I kind of expected that. So the antenna's a little closer on 50, so you're going to get more noise. That's S5 on 2 meters. And it was S3 on 6 meters. And then 70 centimeters, almost an S9. Given a sample size of one charging station, it's actually not as bad as I thought it would be. We are currently 3 minutes left on the charge here. Next time if I have a longer setup time, I'll be able to put up a bigger antenna and see. So we will check in on our next stop and see how it goes.